Hey everyone, I'm Ethan from Zappos.com, and this is the Teram B ABX 2 from Geox Kids. Let your kid enjoy playing outdoors with these super hardy sneakers. These sneakers are made with a synthetic and textile upper there, with a protective rubber toe cap across the front. It's going to help protect the scuffing of the shoe and their toes on the inside as well. It's got a single hook and loop closure across the vamp there for a tight, secure fit. And it's got these elastic bands to make sure the rest of the shoe feels nice on the foot. It's got a pull tab on the back to help get it on a little bit easier. And it's got a padded collar and tongue to really hug the top and the back of the foot. There's a memory foam like footbed in the bottom that it's easy to clean to promote better hygiene. And it's got a rubberized outsole and midsole there with this special zigzag pattern. It's going to help have a better traction. There's also these perforated holes right here that allow moisture that gets in or sweat to escape through the shoe out the bottom, but no water can go back up on the inside there, making that foot environment super dry. Your kids are sure to stay super comfortable as they're running around in these great sneakers all day long. They're from Geox Kids.